This is Joe Overfield with Intelliplan Financial, and today what I want to talk about is how to become your own banker using life insurance. Now, before we automatically just dismiss life insurance as a bad financial tool, let me just give you a little quick history about it. Whole life was initially used for the death benefit, not so much the cash value. So when you hear people say whole life is not a good strategy for saving money, they're not wrong, but there are some new ways that people have found to design whole life policies that can be extremely beneficial and can provide a lot of advantages and give you mega benefits in terms of while you're living. And that's what we're going to talk about today. So what I want to do is talk about the advantages of using life insurance to create your own banking system. Now, let's talk about advantage number one. It's the ability to earn while you're spending. So to give you an example, if you have filled up your life insurance policy and you've got about $30,000 or so in cash value, you can go in, you can borrow $25,000 out of that policy. So you only have $5,000 left, but you will continue earning growth and dividends as if the full $30,000 was available. Now, what product on the market today gives you the ability to earn on money that you've taken out? There's nothing. So this is a great strategy when you understand this. Now, I do want to preface though, if this is going to work properly, you want to do this and purchase your policy from a non-direct recognition mutual whole life company. Now, advantage number two, flexibility and control. Now, we're talking about using this as your own banking system. So let's compare that. So if you were go to a bank and you needed a loan for $50,000, the bank is going to provide you basically the guidelines of how you're going to pay this back, what the interest rate is, and how long you have to do. So all of the rules are in place for you. When you take a policy loan, there are no rules. You will have the choice of when and how you pay this back. You can set it up monthly. You can pay it back whenever you choose. In fact, you're not even required to pay your policy loan back. Now, I will caution you, if you don't pay it back, it could cause your policy to lapse in the future and there could be some tax issues there that you want to be aware of. But the point of this is you have full control when you're taking a policy loan. Another thing about this is loans are easy to request. So think about yourself. When you need money, you need it. Let's think of a business owner as an example. When you need business capital, you need it right away. When you go to banks and you want to take a loan, it can be a 45, a 60, a 90-day process of getting all the information provided and getting the approval and getting the loan. With a policy loan, there is no approval required. All you do is fill out a form, send it in, and as long as the money is in your account, it will be sent to you, and you usually have it within about 7 to 10 days. So it's very easy and very quick, okay? Another thing is you can take these loans for anything that you want. You've been funding this policy, so this is your money. If you want to use this for your child's education, if you want to use it for an auto loan, for an update to your home, it doesn't matter. The opportunities when you have cash are endless. Has anybody ever noticed that when you have money in your pocket, there's always opportunities available for you? It's tremendous. So it's a great concept. And then lastly, policy loans are tax advantaged. Now, let me explain what that means. As long as your policy has been designed properly, every time you pull money out of that policy, whether it's money you've put in or the growth, then you're not going to pay tax on that money. So there's tremendous tax advantages with a life insurance policy. Upon passing, your death benefit is also paid tax-free to your beneficiaries. So again, there are just numerous advantages of becoming your own banker and using life insurance. Now, I obviously can't go through all the details in a short video like this, but make sure you read the blog, read the article about this concept. And if you see that there's truly some more information you want to find out, you can find us on intelliplanfinancial.com. Reach out to us, we're happy to help.